My name is Steve Nicol. I am the Transformation and Data Director here at Magenta Living. Magenta Living is a housing association. The challenges we faced from a customer perspective, we were difficult to deal with, hard to get in touch with. We had over 70 systems that our colleagues worked on. The legacy technology chained us to the desk. It was hardwired and it didn't integrate to any of our other systems. We knew there was a few players that we could work with in terms of that integration or seamless integration into Salesforce. We have got contact center solutions, so VCC and VBC. So the implementation process was fairly straightforward. Vonage being integrated into Salesforce unlocks a lot of potential for us as a business. The ability to understand who was calling and to be able to capture all of those call records against a customer record in the system. We know that Vonage will give us great capability in our contact center, and we know that it will talk to our CRM and give us a real good understanding of our customer, quite often why they might be calling us before they even tell us. And even in kind of early trials on this, at the early data was showing us that we had up to 170 callbacks in one day from customers who wanted to speak to us. Together with Salesforce and Vonage, we've now got call transcriptions and call summaries at the end of each call, and that allows the agent to end the call, take a breath. They don't have to make any additional notes. Now that's a couple of minutes per call, time saving, not having to do those notes. Quite often in the role that I'm in and the roles that I've had previously, you work with suppliers who promise the earth until you sign the contract, and then everything goes a bit quiet. I can say hand on heart that my experience with Vonage was not that. They made promises and they kept them.